handheld RF LoRa temperature sensor. The RF LoRa temperature sensor is a self-contained sensor that is designed for remote monitoring. It is supplied ready for immediate deployment. It measures the ambient temperature and uses its long-range RF transmitter to send temperature readings. The data can be accessed on a smart device, PC app, or web page when paired with a RIoT hub from RF Solutions UK. The sensor also features configurable high and low temperature alert levels. If these levels are exceeded, it can trigger a notification and activate a local RF receiver unit that can control switching relay contacts, providing additional functionality for remote action or alarm responses. This temperature sensor is ideal for applications where long-term remote and reliable temperature monitoring is needed without frequent maintenance or intervention.
Temperature and humidity can significantly affect the durability, performance, and safety of infrastructure. Here's how they impact various components. Extreme temperature variations cause materials like concrete, steel, and asphalt to expand and contract. Over time, this leads to cracks, deformations, and structural fatigue. In bridges and buildings, these stresses can weaken joints, resulting in costly repairs. High humidity accelerates the corrosion of metals like steel and iron, compromising their strength. In coastal regions, where salty air is present, this corrosion becomes even more aggressive, posing an even greater threat to infrastructure.